Hi, my little one. Let's learn about adjectives. Now, what are adjectives? Adjectives means describing words. Describing words means which tells you about something. एडजेक्टिव्स वो होता है जो डिस्क्राइब करे. डिस्क्राइब मीन्स जो बताए, विच टेल्स यू अबाउट, जो आपको बताए अबाउट समथिंग. पर अबाउट व्हाट, किसके बारे में बताए? अबाउट अ नाउन. नाउ व्हाट इज अ नाउन? नाउन मीन्स नेम ऑफ अ पर्सन, नेम ऑफ अ प्लेस, name of an animal, name of a thing. And I always say that animals and birds, the birds also come in this category, in animals. So name of a person, name of a place, name of an animal or birds, or name of a thing. इन सब के names को हम noun बोलते हैं. We call the names of all these things a noun. So the word, एक ऐसा word which tells you about the noun, जो आपको noun के बारे में बताए. The word which tells you about the noun, that word is called adjective. वो word को हम adjective बोलते हैं, जो word हमें noun के बारे में बताए कि noun कैसा है. The word which tells you that how is the noun, what is the noun, how and how many are the nouns. Noun कैसा है, क्या है, कितने nouns हैं, वो word को हम adjectives बोलते हैं. Now let me explain you further. Now this is the easiest way to find out adjective. Now the word, we have to check that which word is adjective, that if the word is a shape or is a size or it's a color or it's a number or it's a quality. अगर वो word कोई shape है, shape like round, shape like circle, shape like triangle, shape like square, and many more, semicircle, heart shape, triangle and many more. जो word हमें बताए कि उसकी shape क्या है, like the table is round in shape. इस sentence में table word is a noun. And how is the table? Table is round in shape. तो round word जो है, that is adjective. Then we also need to check, suppose the word is not a shape. एक कोई जो word लिखा है sentence में, the word written in the sentence is not a shape. Then we need to see, is it a size? क्या वो जो word है वो size है? Like if there is a word like fat, thin, big, small, tall, short, narrow, wide, large and many more. अगर इनमें से कोई word है, these words show the size. So अगर इनमें से कोई word है, then that word is adjective. And suppose if if the word is not telling you about the shape, not telling you about the size, अगर कोई word आपको shape के बारे में नहीं बता रहा, size के बारे में नहीं बता रहा, then you need to check, is it a color? Color like red, green, yellow, black and many more. कितने सारे colors होते हैं. If there is a color, then also it is an adjective. Suppose अगर color भी नहीं बता रहा, if it's not a shape, not a size, not a color, then you need to see, is it a number? Number like 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe 100, maybe 1000, maybe 948 and so on. Any number, any number. अगर कोई number है, then also numbers are also adjectives. because it's telling you how many are the nouns. Noun कितने हैं. Then also that number is adjective. And suppose if it's not a number also, if it is not a shape, not a size, not a color, not a number, then you need to see, is it a quality? Quality like जो noun है क्या वो good है, bad, अगर उस noun के लिए good word लिखा है, bad लिखा है, strong है, or maybe sweet, maybe salty, maybe new, old, young, beautiful, smart, kind, and there are so many more words. आपने ये देखना है कि जो word आपको बताता है कि noun कैसा है, वो word adjective होता है. That is adjective. So these are the important parts you need to learn. That adjective will be a shape, size, color, number, or a quality. So if you learn all these 5 points, then it will be very easy for you to judge, to find out what is an adjective in a sentence. सबसे पहले the first rule, okay, I'll write it here. The first rule is to find out the noun. To find out the noun. And then you have to look for the word. उसके बाद आपने देखना है ऐसा word जो आपको बताए कि noun कैसा है, how is the noun. और उसके लिए you have to learn this, you have to remember this, that whether that word, this word is a shape or a size or a color or a number or a quality. इनमें से कुछ भी होगा जो word, that word will be an adjective in that sentence. Okay? So quickly pause this video and note down all these 5 parts to find out the adjective, because you need to learn these 5 parts if you want to find out adjective easily. Alright, so let's do some examples now. Now these are few examples. Let's find out the adjective in each sentence. Now before we start looking for adjective, हम adjective ढूंढने से पहले let us find out the noun first. This is the most important thing, to find out the noun first. Let's read out. The bag is heavy. Now let's find the noun first and underline it. The is a name of anything? No. Bag, yes, bag is a name of a thing. So this is a noun. Is name of anything? No. Heavy is name of anything? No. So this is the noun. Okay. Now how is the bag? अब देखो bag कैसा है? How many are the bags? And what is the bag? बैग कहीं पे कोई वर्ड है जो बैग के बारे में बता रहा है, डिस्क्राइब कर रहा है. यू हैव टू लुक फॉर द वर्ड विच इज़ टेलिंग यू अबाउट द बैग. बैग कैसा है? द बैग इज़ हैवी. बैग बहुत भारी है, हैवी है. सो हैवी इज़ द क्वालिटी ऑफ बैग. बैग के बारे में बता रहा है. सो हैवी इज़ द एडजेक्टिव. ओके, लेट्स चेक आउट द नेक्स्ट वन. दिस इज़ अ टॉल tree. So the noun is this. Tree is a name of a thing. And how is the tree? Tree कैसा है? This is a tall tree. Tree is tall. Tall है. Tree लंबा है. So tree is the adjective. जो tall word है वो tree के बारे में बता रहा है कि tree tall है, लंबा है. जो word है heavy, it is telling you about bag. The word heavy is telling you about the bag, कि bag heavy है, bag भारी है, heavy. So heavy is adjective, tall is adjective. That is a new table. So again, what is the noun here? Table. Table is name of a thing. And which word is telling you कि table कैसा है? How is the table? That is a new table. New word is an adjective. New is telling you about the noun. Table के बारे में बता रहा है कि table new है. Honey is sweet. Honey. Honey is name of a thing. Honey is something which we eat, which is very sweet in taste. So honey is a noun, is sweet. Honey कैसा है? Sweet है, मीठा. So sweet is the adjective. The word sweet is an adjective. Next, I have 7 candies. Candies. Candy. I is a noun? No. Have is not a noun. 7 is not a noun. Candies. Candies is name of a thing. So candies is a noun. And how is the candy? Candy कैसी है? यहाँ नहीं लिखा. Candy कितनी है? How many are the candies? I have 7. So 7 is a number which is telling you about candies. कि candies 7 हैं. So candies is an adjective which is telling you about candies. 7 word. Grass is green. Grass is a noun, is green. Green is the color. Color is the adjective. We just read in 5 points of adjectives. So grass कैसी है? Green है. Green is telling you about the noun grass. So green is the adjective. The table is round. What is the noun here? Table. Table is a name of a thing. The table is round. Table कैसा है? Round है, गोल है. So round word is telling you about the table is an adjective. Your shirt is dirty. Your shirt is dirty. What is the noun here? Shirt. Shirt is name of a thing. Shirt कैसी है? Dirty है. Dirty is an adjective. वो बहुत गंदी है. So the word dirty is telling you about the noun. Dirty is adjective. The milk is hot. What is a noun here? The milk is hot. Milk is a noun. That's the name of a thing. और milk कैसा है? The milk is hot. Hot means garam है. So this word is telling you about milk. Garam. So hot is adjective. She has red roses. Now what is a noun here? She has red roses. Roses is the noun, name of a flower, name of a thing. Flower is a thing. So roses कैसे हैं? Red हैं. So red is the name of a color which is telling you about roses. कि roses red color के हैं. So red is the adjective. Red is the adjective. Hot, dirty, round, green, 7, sweet, new, tall, heavy. All these words are adjective which are telling you about the noun कि noun कैसा है, noun कितने हैं. Right? So watch this video again and understand the topic adjective better. Bye bye for now.